part 2 of the Hoover Dam. We're still on the dam crossing the bridge, and it was almost 3 o'clock on Arizona time, and I think Nevada time is saying the same thing. What was Arizona time?
Same thing.
Huh?
Same thing.
Well, then somebody has been keeping the clocks right. You think the people that manage a dam would be able to keep the clocks right, because there's 1 hour difference between Nevada and Arizona.
And you're positive about that?
Yeah, I heard them say that. There's the Hoover Dam Spillway House. There again, we're setting up probably a little bit higher than I might think we are, but that's one of the intake towers, 2 of them here, and they look like they're almost to the level of where the white rock is, and the white rock is where the water level was at.
If you look at that, if you look at the towers, you can tell where the level was at. If you look at the tower, you can tell where the level was at. The level was probably about 10 feet coming to the bottom of the walkway.
Yeah, I see some rusty looking color there on the concrete there. And there's some more of the diversion tunnels over there on the other side. Hoover Dam, 1931 to 1935. Oh, they do have security here, and the police comes in and checks you out, but they've been real nice. Look at them, a young man over there posing. They're holding the sign up. I might be getting reflection off the bus window now, so. We have been right there. We have already walked in that area directly in front of the camera. We got on the bus right over there underneath with the food and gifts sign. That's one of them concrete parking structures. Here's a statue of a guy climbing, sitting on his little horse. What?
You see how the power lines go down there?
They go down right there? I missed it. This here is the archway bridge that they're building, due to be completed in 2010. The road that we just went across is going to be closed down. Imagine how they put that concrete together up there. That's got to be a heck of a job. Look how tall that structure is. A lot of rock here, fellas. Moving back over to the right side of the bus. There again you see the archway. See the river down there. We see the dam again, and we're much higher than the dam now. Hoover Dam. We'll be able to see Lake Mead here in a moment. Part of it, just a small part of it. There's a large electrical substation there. Welcome to Nevada. I didn't get that in the camera real good. behind us. Hoover Dam's behind us. There's electrical substation. Again, same one. Oh, my battery's fixing to go down. I guess I'm gonna end this video. I ain't gonna get late meat in it. 6 minutes and 29 seconds.